All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, transgenders, just a little disclaimer before we get going. I'm not a marketer. My name is John Vaughn, and I'm like a little ant compared to Blake. He's a lot more like a marketing god. He's handsome and good looking, and I'm pretty bad on camera and ugly. I'm socially awkward, if you can't tell. I am, however, a multi-jiu-jitsu gold medalist. And I have won multiple 2 Comma Club awards, 2 Comma Club C, 2 Comma Club X, everything from ClickFunnels for doing multiple millions of dollars in my sales funnels. And if you are expecting some type of typical marketing hype type thingy, this probably isn't your video. See, I just don't like to do things manually. Also, if you're not a partner in Blake Newbar's partner program for the social media lead machine, you should not be here because this is a private page. My dog's just dogging over here, but this is a private page. This is not a motivational video, and it sure as fuck ain't one of those training videos. You don't need any more of those. See, Blake already taught you the system. You don't need any more information. I'm a partner in Blake's partner program, and I joined Blake's partner program because I believe in his Facebook system. Actually, in fact, Blake's system that he teaches for Facebook, it's the same system that I use paired with the Friender machine that has made me millions and millions of dollars and got me on stage at ClickFunnels to win every fucking award they give away for making X amounts of millions of dollars. I got all of them. Like Pokemons. I put a picture down there as proof for those of you that don't believe me because I'm ugly or because I said fuck twice already and I'm wearing this stupid hat. All right? I didn't join Blake's partner program to learn something new or to change who I am. I joined because I know it works for everyone. Even weirdos like me. But see, Friender isn't a replacement for Blake's system. It's the machine I built so that I don't have to execute that system manually. See, where most partners get stuck is not strategy. That's been tested, packaged up to you, damn near perfected, and just handed to you. It's execution. Manual execution, the actual doing part, like the things that you have to do, implementing the system, looking for leads, adding friends, making content, messaging people, remembering to follow up, responding to comments whenever you see them, interacting with other people's stuff, keeping track of who matters, where they're at in your sales process, in your head somehow, like that actually works for real. And it kind of maybe does a little bit when you're just barely getting started, but it breaks down fast as you try to grow. And that's why I built Friender. See, Friender is the execution layer for Blake's system. It's the machine that actually runs it. And what you're getting here right now, as soon as you sign up below, is the Elite Friender machine, the version designed to support Blake's partner program specifically. It finds your leads. It handles the follow-up. It handles all the organization. It makes sure Blake's system is actually being executed and doesn't need an accountability partner. It makes sure Blake's system is actually being executed even when you're not thinking about it or feeling like doing anything. See, when execution becomes automatic, results stop being optional. And there's another little problem Blake's partners eventually run into. You see, you sell Blake's offer. It's awesome. It's amazing. It works. People most of the time even take the upsell. Great. But you get paid once. And then for most people, that relationship usually ends. But see, for some of Blake's partners, Friender changes that because Blake's partners get access to a special Friender partner capability that isn't available publicly. It allows you, if you choose, to turn the customers you already sold Blake's products to into recurring monthly revenue. That means they pay you every month, in case you didn't understand. Instead of them paying once for the front-end product, they pay every month. Instead of them paying once for the upsell, they pay every month. And not by pitching them harder, not by spamming them, but by using Friender as the execution layer that supports both Blake's partner program and his system and your business for the long term. Now, I'm not going to explain how all that works right here, right now, because it's so obvious and makes perfect sense once you're already using Friender. And it's only available to Blake's partners. And one more thing, just so we're all clear, you're not getting billed anything right here. You're not paying anything right now. This is a free trial so that you can quickly set up this machine to maximize Blake's partner program for you. You get a full week to see if this feels obvious. If it doesn't, don't keep it. But if you're tired of doing things manually and you actually want to grow, but you don't want to be on Facebook all day, Friender is going to feel very obvious very quickly. So all you need to do is just pick Friender Pro yearly and fill out the form below and click the big blue button. Don't overthink it. That's it. You should have clicked on it. You should have been done. You should be done already. Should be done. Should be on the next page already. What are you doing?